go right down that V. So what do you think? Right on the haystacks for now, or?
12 o'clock, 12:30?
Yeah, I don't know. We'll try the haystacks.
Okay.
As long as there's no big rocks.
Okay.
I'll make last minute maneuvers.
I didn't know like if you wanted to kneel behind the seat there.
Well, I got my knee down is the thing.
Okay.
We're going to slow her down anyway. We're hardly moving anyway. Holy crap.
What's that?
We're hardly moving.
You are hardly moving.
Now remember up here, you got to go right to the left up here.
Right.
Tight.
We ought to go now. We're going to have to go to the left.
They'll see us.
Well, no, we're in the canoe facing the other way now.
I think it's best if we go left. Like hard left. Don't you think? I forget.
It's a hard left. I think you're right. We almost stopped the canoe there.
Yeah.
Almost too slow.
See, out there's shitty.
It's shitty.
I.
That's it.
Yeah, right here. Yeah. And then left again. Left again.
You good?
Yep. Slow her down. See, that ass end is going to be hard.
I'll take care of them.
You notice how it whips around?
It does.
Yeah.
Especially when the current hits it.
Yeah.
It wants to haul it. I can't get myself too out of position because they'll just tear me off. They'll just pull me away.
Yeah. I'm gonna go with that flow.
We have to go to the left.
Yeah. As long as we keep her slow.
We ram it, but we don't ram it too hard.
You think left? Not too far left.
It's pretty hard left.
See, let's go over this way a bit. You know why? We gotta make that corner.
Okay.
I think we're better off going over. You know that? We gotta get the nose in there.
Over to Rooster Tail?
Yep.
All the way?
Yeah, and I gotta get the nose in there to make the turn.
We're gonna go way left. See it now? The big rock is
Yeah, we gotta go right. Right up here.
right.
We're gonna go right. I'm gonna get the nose in on the right. I don't know if we'll.
Right here, Lori.
No, we gotta go through here, right?
Left. It's gonna be left.
Left,
now.
yep.
Has to be left.
Yep.
Left.
Hard left. See, there's that rock there. That's the problem.
Rock. That's the rock. That's the one.
So we're gonna shoot to the left of it?
We have to go to the, yep.
We have to.
Then we're gonna have to try and pull the front.
Right on the. Yeah, we got her.
Now. Okay, perfect. Big stop. Right.
Got her. Go right over. Hey. Yeah, may as well.
What the hell?
The sooner we're over, the sooner we're done.
And to flip, we need to flip it now.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll go right over. that was hard with 20 feet.
Yeah, that's a hard 20, isn't it?
That's a hard 20 feet.
Get on that little soft spot there, just above the pond.
Oh, right down here, yeah.
Just a little past the rock, I'll try and eddy out. Or eddy in, right?
Yeah, we're good here, yeah.
Yeah, right.
Few rocks, but whip your ass end around and then we'll... Yeah, we're good. Yeah, we're good. Oh, not bad. Hey, hit a little water.